everybody, and welcome to 𝗵𝘁𝗄𝗃. We're doing a tune-up report today on the Cobra 29LTD, well, the LTD Chrome, as you can see. This is for Richie in Pennsylvania. All right, we're going to start with, I'll key it with this. I got the mic gain turned all the way down. Let's take a look up here. Okay, up here you're going to see we got about 6.5, almost 7 there. Same thing over here. And carrier. Now I'm going to put some audio to it. 100% audio. Mic gain's all the way up now. So you can see over here, peak power, almost 30 watts. Good looking waveform. All right. You can see it's not crossing over. On the spectrum analyzer, you can see we're looking really good there. It's not splattering all over to the other channels nearby. You can look at further out to see the second harmonic and the main signal. No extra spurs. Turn the mic gain back down. I've been showing you tune-up reports for years with audio. I don't want to contradict myself too much. So you can see what you used to see. Over here on the peak reading meter. Audio. Audio, check. And you can see on the scope there, the audio limiter is quite slow, so that you get a lot more out than you would get with a tone generator. Audio, check, audio. And if I tighten the audio limiter so tight as to make up for its failures in speed, then it would be worse than a factory radio. It would be, less than factory output. Be like 50% audio by the time the thing would catch it. It's just so slow. Okay, so we've seen carrier, peak power, spectrum. But maybe you want to hear it because it's got echo installed. Audio. Check. All right. Let's go ahead to the on-the-air test. Breaker 19 for radio check. Yes, it was. I appreciate it, driver. Thank you very much. Check. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check. That's a little better right there. Check.